We are welcome to GVITS IT Training Institute. We are going to continue with our wedding card design. So I'm going to continue from where I stopped by going to my default or template icon. So I go to the down part left corner icon with the three circles intersecting. I press on it. I will find projects. I press on projects. When I press on projects, you will find wedding. That's what I saved it. That's the name I gave it. So I press on wedding. So when I press on wedding, it will display it on my working area. Are you sure you want to open the project? Yes. So I say okay. So this was where I stopped. Now I'm just going to do some text formatting. So let's start from the date. I will add some border around the shape. So let's edit our shape. Looking for stroke. So I will enable the stroke. Then I will increase it a little. So that's, maybe make it red. Now how it is. Okay. So I say I accept it. Good. So now I will come to the down part and press on the text there and do some formatting there. I will change the font style. Let's get a font style for it. Okay. Kingston's exit. It's okay. Now the second one, let's format that one too. I will select this armrest. Okay, I say okay. Then I select this one too. Give it a formatting to the first one. Then I say okay. Now let's format this sun. I give it a background color. I'll give it red. I'll increase the left padding a little. I'll increase the right padding a little. Then I'll introduce the shape. I want to curve the edges by increasing the radius. Good. Then I say okay. So when that is done, I will duplicate it for the other side, which is the daughter. So I look for copy. When you press on copy, it will duplicate it on top there. So you bring it down. Undo. When you hold something and you think it's not the right object, just say undo by pressing on the undo icon on top. Then it will reposition itself very well. Then you now hold. Now look, you see that because it's too small, holding it becomes difficult. Good. So now let's go and look for position. So you will see position. Press on it. Then you will use the position to move your object. When you think it's moving smaller, you increase the move by to 20. Then it will move faster than it was. So when you get to a point you think you can hold it, you simply hold it and drag it. Then you accept it that way. Then you edit it by going to edit. then you delete and type daughter, then you say okay. Good. So you reposition the daughter very well. Now what we are going to do is to duplicate the image and apply a feature we call occupancy. We will apply a fainted feature to the picture and use it as a background for the text. So press on the image, go to your icon or object icon just in the middle down part after the A, and press on copy. So when you press on copy, it will duplicate the picture for you. Bring it down but resize it a little, then you bring it down this way. You see that it's covering the text. So let's look for occupancy. You press on occupancy, then you will decrease the percentage a little. When you are okay with the way it is painted, you accept it, but we will send it to the back. And when you send it to the back, the background image we used earlier will cover it. So you will press on the background image, just press on it and send that one to the back to make the faded photo visible. Good. So this is the way we are going to do it. Now you can still do further formatting on your picture, maybe by adding some stroke to it, and then if you want shadow, you enable the shadow and then to deepen it a little. Good. So I will accept it, and it brings us to the end of our wedding card design. So keep practicing and you will be perfect than I am. Bye.